Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to discuss with you how to do seasonal reordering via the system. So what I mean by that is, so we'll log ourselves in and let's go to stock and then go to replenish stock. Now seasonal reordering is, for example, there might be certain things that you want to order more of or less of in a particular time within the year. A very popular one is like Halloween goods or fireworks. Or obviously Christmas goods as well. Basically anything that's required to be done seasonally. So it effectively overrides your minimums and maximums that you've already got predefined on those particular items. So via the replan section, you've got a section up here called seasonal. So we'll click on that. And then what we need to do first, we need to create a new season. So we'll create a new season. This could be called whatever you like. So right now we'll call this, for example, fireworks. Okay, accept that. It's going to ask us obviously what's the initial time when you want to obviously make sure you have more of these items in stock or less, depending obviously how you want to work this. So what we'll do is, for example, say October time, so you want to make sure you've got all your goods in October for obviously selling them for obviously fireworks day in November. So we'll go for October, and then for first day of the month, so for example, let's go for the 1st. Then it's going to ask us for the end. When do we want to stop this from happening? So if we go to, for example, November and say the 1st. And so there you go. So there's the fireworks section right there. It's got starts then, ends then. Obviously you can also pick days as well if you want to make sure there's a certain day that you want a particular order of these things. But generally speaking, just doing it via that month section is probably just as easy for you. Now we need to add products to this. So to do that, you can obviously click on here. It says add new product to the season. So obviously I don't think I've got any fireworks, but just as an example, let's just go show all products. There we go. So for example, say for example, I just selected a load of items that I want to order in for that particular time period. I can then select like so, click on accept, and it'll ask you what is going to be the minimum for these particular items. So I want to say I want at least 5 of them. And then obviously the maximum, I only want 10 of them maximum getting ordered in. So there you have it. So then all those items get dumped into that season with that particular minimum and that particular maximum. So whenever I actually order any of these items from any of the suppliers within this time period, so the 1st of October to the 1st of November, it gets overridden by these minimum and maximums. You can also import all these items as well via the import products via CSV, so you can do it that way. So if you want to do it, play around with Excel, do all your necessary calculations in Excel, and then import all them into the system, you can do that also. So there you have it. Nice, quick, easy way of doing it. So then, just like I said, it overwrites any of your mins and maxes that are currently on the system and does more of a seasonal version of the mins and maximums. Very handy for certain areas of the time periods of the year, really. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Take care.